Hello everyone, this is Khalid Ali from Z Consulto, and today we have a new series of SAP Business One Basics. So SAP Business One Basics, I will show you the basic SAP Business One cycle. And the first one that we will start with is the sales cycle. We will start it from the sales order. And inside the sales order, the first thing you should do is choosing the customer. If you know the customer name or code, you can put it here. If you don't know, you can click here and it will shows up all the customers that you have. Let's say you don't know the customer code, but you know the name. You can double click here and type the name. I will type MaxiTech and I will choose MaxiTech. Now I have MaxiTech on this document. The second thing is choosing the items, and you can choose a single item or click on Control if you are using Windows and choose multiple items. But in this sales order, I will only choose this item. I'll choose the quantity to be 2 items from this, and I will add and view. I'm missing the delivery date, which is important, so I will choose it for Tuesday and add and view. Now I added this sales order under this number. Okay, now it's added successfully. Now on copy to delivery, I have nothing to do. I will just check the addresses, the shipping type, let's say FedEx, yes. And here is the freight. Everything should be okay. And I will add this delivery. The last thing is to add my invoice. I will copy to AR invoice. This is the invoice that I should send to the customer. I will check the layout to make sure that everything looks okay. So here is the layout of the invoice. It's supported by Crystal reports. I can check out here the invoice, the date, the document number, the customer. Everything should be okay. Now I will send this invoice to the customer and I will add it on my system. So add yes. And also from here, I can send it by email. I can send this to the customer contact person. Also, we can do this automatically, which is a very good thing. Once you add the invoice, you can send it to the customer. So here is the AR invoice. Here is the email address that I should send, and I can type here whatever I want, and I can send it to the customer contact person. So the last thing I will do once the customer pay me this invoice, I will open the payment means, and by default, because this customer pay us by checks, so it chooses the check. I will type here the check number. Let's put anything, and here the amount, the total amount of the check is okay, and add. Now the incoming payment is added. Let's go back and open the relationship map to check everything. So here is the relationship map. As we can see, sales order, then a delivery, then an AR invoice, and the last thing is the incoming payment. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more.